All right, Friday, February 17th, another week in the books. Let's get into another weekly recap with trading experts. Let's get right into it. First off, let's recognize the type of market we're in. It's unbelievable market. Every single dip is bought. This is a very special market. Enjoy it while it's here. Every breakout is working. Every dip is immediately bought. Let's look at the hourly chart. After we just went straight up the last 4 or 5 days. We had a little pullback. Everyone started to get a little worried, and it's nothing. It's a blip on the radar, and we're right back at highs. Let's talk about how the market's played out a little bit. Now let's look at this day right here. This was the 8th of February. I made a live call in the chat. Said we were a bit iffy on the market. I said it's very important if the market holds this 228 half area. To continue this rally, and it did just that. And I said, "Wow, market looks good. It's time to buy some stuff." But I did not anticipate this kind of run. Insane, absolutely insane. Today, low to high. We opened at lows, closed at highs. Can't get much stronger than that. Actually, what's leading the rally is the Qs, the Nasdaq, which is all risk on name. So it's been really good for traders. Traders have been loving it. Let's talk about some charts. What we got? Comcast trade of the week. Gave us a little pop, but pulled back on us. wasn't the best. After this day, you'd expect it to make a run through highs. Sold off a bit. It's still technically fine, but it doesn't look great. You don't like a blow off top like that. Oh, let me delete that. Here's the weekly. You like to see this nice tight inside week. You don't like to see it make a move up and come right back. Sellers showing that they're still alive, still rocking. So careful with that one. What else we got? Sherwin-Williams, this thing is still rocking. It's fine. If you want to keep it super tight, you can do a 309.99 stop. But right stop is probably below this day right here, 308.33. But just ride it out. We're getting paid just riding out our winners. This X, we bought it at 35, took a lot of profit this day. And I called out yesterday in the chat off 38. 38's holding. I'm going to buy more. So I reloaded most of the stock I sold, and it looks absolutely amazing. And now if I want, I could add through these highs right here. It looks like it's. Look at this weekly chart. That is strength right there. It looks like it's just going higher and higher. How's the monthly? Beautiful. So, that's the importance of riding out your winners, because you never know how far they could run. This, I immediately, when I made the trade, I thought hopefully we'll get to 40. Now I'm looking for a breakout past 40. That's what you want. That's swing trading right there. Caught a bad one. I wasn't caught in this one. I'm sure took out this low. So I'm sure a lot of people got stopped out when it took out this low. UNH, it had a great pattern, beautiful pattern, but got caught in some bad news, bunch of lawsuits against it, Department of Justice, just bad stuff. So stock, now it's a broken chart, now it's in a void. I wouldn't touch it, just avoid it. Don't even look at it. What else we got? Best Buy. Best Buy is still fine. Didn't give us the explosive move we're looking for, but it pulled back, held up right where it needed to. Check out hourly here. Yeah, this thing still is fine. If you want to keep it super tight, you can do stop of this low of day, 45.41. But the real out is probably down here around 44. Still looks great though. Still is fine. Check out weekly. So next week we want to see it give a push higher and close above 46. That's what you're really looking for. I think there's a very important lesson in the Celgene too. We were looking at Celgene, 117 quarter, half, whatever it was, gave us a huge move a couple days ago. So I said I sold all the stock I needed to. Now I'm just keeping my runners and holding my stop, 116.99. So yesterday, let's look at an intraday chart. Here's a 15-minute. Yesterday, ugly open. Pushes up, makes a new high, immediately sells off. I'm and I hear pretty much all our members, well, not all, but a lot of people in the chat saying I'm getting stopped out, I'm dumping it. But really, I mean, it's just a little dip, and it was really fine at the end of the day. And now look at it, it's awesome. It's above 121, highest close since what is this day? November 29th. Not so bad. So it looks great, and these are just runners. I sold all the stock I needed to this day. To book profit and such. So now I'm just seeing how high this thing can go. I'm just riding it out. Ride out your winners, baby. All right, so recognize we're in a special market right now. You know, breakouts usually aren't this easy. It's definitely a great time to be trading. Leave this freaking run. Insane. Absolutely insane. So enjoy it, but keep buying dips, and you know, it's all about calculated entries. That's it. Just know where you're buying, know where support is, know where resistance is. All right? All right, that's all I got for you guys. Enjoy the weekend. I'll come back to you guys Sunday night, trade of the week. All right, good luck. Happy trading.